Hi, my name's Chris Horton, and we're at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, and today we're on a 2019 NauticStar 2602 Legacy. This one's already got a Simrad Go 12 combination chart plotter, GPS, and fish finder, stainless steel rocker switches, the infinity stereo, trim tabs with trim tab indicators and tilt steering, flip up bolsters, a great fatigue mat on the bottom so you don't get beat up, removable cushions on the stern that you can just stow away if you're fishing, or if you want to have your family out, install them, you're good to go. Live well, powered by twin 150 Yamahas, and if you buy before the end of August, I'll give you an additional 2-year warranty on the Yamahas. Sea deck on the back so you don't slip. Huge live well with a freshwater washdown. Undercoat of the T-top matches the hull color. Bow backrest, as well as a table that folds down so that you can fill up that with a filler cushion. I like the way the bow backrest also come out. They lock, and then if you want to get them out of the way, they're gone. You don't have to just move them and put them somewhere else. Also has a vacuum flush head. If you'd like to know more about this boat, give me a call, 850-974-6032.